thought I'd take you on a little tour of the polyhedra in my office. Might be interesting. Here's a tetrahedron. It's got some goggly eyes on it. It's amazing how that looks quite nice, doesn't it? Friendly little tetrahedron. Okay, next some origami. A cube made out of sonobe units, whatever, however you say it. This is easy to make. Anything else out of sonobe units cannot do it. Now this, what is it? I can't remember. Decahedron? It's falling apart a bit. It's, what are these called? Swirler units or something like that. They're really cool. Since it's coming apart, this point here is one bit of paper. You fold together a post-it note and twirl around the edges so you get 4 curls and they all interleave with each other and you can make this shape. It's pretty nice. Very pretty. What next? Classic post-it note dodecahedron. Surprisingly sturdy. Have you noticed how that looks like a regular shape, doesn't it? But if you come down here, certain angles, a dodecahedron looks significantly squiff. What's that about? Okay, now next, big guy. Here's the same kind of thing. It's a dodecahedron. I chose the colours so that each face has 5 different colours on it, like that. You can look up that design somewhere. You have to draw out the graph of the dodecahedron and do that. And if you're colourblind like me, you have to get someone else to label the graph with numbers and put each colour in a different pile. And then you have to get someone to check once you've done it, because you put 2 of the same, red and green, on the same face. But there you go. Inside here is an icosahedron. Nothing particular about the colours. An icosahedron is the dual of a dodecahedron, so I can arrange this so that, now what do? I put each point through the middle of a face of a dodecahedron. Yeah, so there's a point and there's a point. I always used to forget what the dual of a polyhedron meant, and with this it's pretty obvious. Can't remember how I made that. This is really sturdy, this thing in the middle. It's never fallen apart. Okay, and my last thing is, of course, my Herschel enneahedron. Wow, that's not going to come out well. It's black, and there we go. Okay, it's got 9 faces, so an enneahedron. Ennea is Greek for 9. It's got the symmetries of a hexagon. I've talked about this loads of times before. This is a 3D printed one that someone made for me. Yeah, so there's probably all sorts of other polyhedra I could point out in this office, but yeah, who cares? That's the ones I've got on my desk.